Come in. What's up, cuz?
Let me up.
Dad the camera. Good morning, you guys. It's your girl, the Keystone Trucker. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You already know the deal. If you didn't already do so, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Also, make sure you follow my Instagram page that will be posted in the description box and on the screen as well. So, guys, I wanted to start my day early, and before, you know, I wash my face, brush my teeth and everything, because, you know, I just woke up, I asked my brother, I was like, Lamont, do you need to go to the bathroom? You need to go to the bathroom, because I'm doing my pre-ship inspection and everything. No, I'm good. So my pre-ship inspection, 15 minutes, blah blah blah. I came back to this truck and I was going to pull off. I was closing the curtain for him because he was sleeping. So he was like, oh, are you about to pull off? I need to go to the bathroom. I am at my first stop for today, which is CVS. There's two different CVS's across the street from each other, and I went to the other one, but that wasn't the right one. And I know this is a multi-stopper, so I'm probably gonna still have to go to that one, but I came across the street to the right one. I think I'm heading to Maryland after this, and then back up to Virginia. Hey guys, I just woke up. I'm gonna take my shower and then get on the road. I know I look a mess. I just threw on, you know, a hoodie, hopped out of my car with my pajamas, my truck, and let me get in the shower. But I wanted to show y'all the trucker's bath. Ooh, I never had that. Yes. So zoomed in.
Oh my god. You know how to do this?
Huh?
You know how to do this?
Let's see.
Look at you. Got me looking stupid. Oh, what the?
Now why?
No, you didn't put the door away.
I did it. My bad. Cause now why couldn't you be a truck driver? Tell the people.
You put me. You're exposed.
Tell the people why you couldn't be a truck driver.
You're exposed to me a lot in this video. You're maybe like a bad person.
You're not a bad person. Every job isn't for everyone. Just walk. Push the red button, Lamont.
I don't think I want to push the red button yet. I think I like pushing the red button. So how you guys been? You know, I'm on the more here. Feel me? I'm the better sibling. You know, other than Leah, I'm better. Yeah. So how you guys been during your quarantine days? I know it's been a drought. No, I'm tired. I'm tired right now. I'm not really used to this jerking thing yet, but I'm getting used to it. Schools are staring at me, but yeah. The truck backing up right there. I don't know where my sister went. Still fueling up. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see it. It's still fueling up. But yeah. There she go right there. Nigga, there she go. No. She's taking out the pump right now. Kinda hungry. I might eat some snacks. You know, I think she's coming back right now. No, she's not coming back yet. Okay, she didn't come back yet. But yeah, look at all these trucks, you know. Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty much it, you know. Got my slides on. I don't think you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. Got my slides on. Chill out, though. Chill out. Yeah. See you guys.
What you gonna do? Nothing. I got you a videotape. Of course, there's another accident, you guys. But this time, Lamont's up with me. Lamont, say hi to the YouTube fam.
Here. Oh, yeah, I seen in my comfortable stage.
In your comfortable stage? It was just like every second because you always sleeping. Oh, with your feet up. That's what you mean. Oh.
Demons.
The demons. His size 2 feet. That's ridiculous. I was doing good too. Mop it. How does it feel being home?
No word.
My man, how does it feel being home? How it feel being home?